In addition to Cars OnDemand's extensive training content, participants at your shop can now complete TIA Basic Automotive Service certification training online. TIA Basic Automotive Tire Service is a minimum skills training and certification program developed through the Tire Industry Association, or TIA, and is recognized throughout North America. This course provides technicians with the proper procedures for servicing passenger and light truck tires, outlining and explaining the guidelines for servicing passenger and light truck tire and wheel assemblies. Completing TIA certification is a simple 3-step process. 1. Take the lesson. Students start by taking both Part A and Part B of TIA's Basic ATS course through Cars OnDemand. Lessons can be accessed through a smartphone, tablet, or desktop PC. 2. Complete the exam. After finishing both lessons, students must successfully complete a 50-question multiple-choice exam online, scoring 70% or greater. 3. Show the skills. Finally, students are required to demonstrate their skills to a supervisor or site coordinator. The site coordinator logs into Cars OnDemand and verifies that each of the skills have been successfully demonstrated. Once all of the skills have been shown, the supervisor or site coordinator signs off on successful completion of the program. Please note that TIA Basic ATS training requires an administration fee for certification in addition to current Cars OnDemand subscriptions. Participants who successfully complete all 3 steps will qualify for TIA certification. It has never been easier to earn TIA Basic ATS certification right in the shop through Cars OnDemand.